Hi, honey. Are you eating banana? Is that yummy?
No.
You have a kicks on your chin. Banana. Every time I say the word banana, he shows me what it is, and I tell him what it is, and he laughs. Yeah, that's what you've been doing. You need some more? You have a kicks on your chin, silly goober. I'm just trying to cut and film at the same time. Banana. That's banana. Do you like banana? Of course he's not doing it now. That's not a kitty, that's a banana. Banana. And you gonna eat it? Banana. You're silly. Eat it, baby. Banana. Anyways, there's Lewis eating his banana and playing with it, but he's been eating it mostly. Banana. Okay, I love you. We'll talk to you later. Bye. That's not Dada, honey. That's a banana. Banana. Don't you feel good that he thinks Dada is banana? It's okay. Alright, we're really going now. Banana. Okay. Bye, dear. Love you.